Hello, and welcome to this exciting journey. Have you ever dreamt of sharing the beauty of Thailand with the world, welcoming guests into a haven you've created? Today, we're turning that dream into a reality. Whether you have a charming apartment in Bangkok, a peaceful villa in Koh Chang, or a cozy bungalow in Chiang Mai, this guide will equip you to become a successful Airbnb host in the land of smiles. From crafting the perfect listing to understanding local regulations and creating unforgettable guest experiences, we'll cover it all. Get ready to open your doors to the world and embark on this rewarding adventure. Are you excited? I certainly am. Let's dive in and transform your space into a sought-after Airbnb destination. Get ready for a rewarding journey filled with cultural exchange, warm hospitality, and of course, the satisfaction of sharing the magic of Thailand with the world. First impressions matter, and on Airbnb, it all starts with your host profile. Think of it as your digital welcome mat. Begin by choosing a clear, friendly photo of yourself. A genuine smile goes a long way. Next, craft a bio that reflects your personality and highlights what makes you a great host. Are you passionate about Thai culture? Do you have local tips to share? Let your guests know. Verification is key for building trust. Complete Airbnb's identity verification process to give potential guests peace of mind. Don't forget to link your social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, to add another layer of authenticity to your profile. Remember, you're not just renting out a space, you're offering an experience. Let your personality shine through. Now, let's turn that Thai gem of yours into an irresistible listing. Start with a catchy title that highlights your property's best features. Is it a central Bangkok oasis or a serene beachfront villa? Next, paint a vivid picture with your description. Be specific about the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, amenities like Wi-Fi and air conditioning, and any unique features that set your property apart. High-quality photos are crucial. Use natural light and showcase every room from different angles. Don't be afraid to highlight those special touches. A hammock on the balcony, a traditional Thai decor element, or even a plate of fresh mangoes as a welcome treat. Finally, set a competitive price by researching similar listings in your area. Remember, you can always adjust it later based on demand and seasonality. Navigating the rules. Thailand's hosting essentials. Before you welcome your first guest, let's ensure you're familiar with Thailand's hosting regulations. First and foremost, check local zoning laws to confirm that short-term rentals are permitted in your area. Register your property with the Thai government, a straightforward process that adds a layer of legitimacy to your listing. Thailand requires hosts to report guest arrivals to immigration authorities. This is typically done through an online system and is crucial for maintaining legal compliance. Lastly, familiarize yourself with Thailand's tax obligations for Airbnb hosts. Keep accurate records of your earnings and consult with a local tax professional to ensure you're fulfilling your responsibilities. The art of hosting, creating wonderful guest experiences. Now comes the most rewarding part, creating unforgettable experiences for your guests. It all starts with communication. Respond to inquiries promptly and be helpful, providing local recommendations and answering any questions they may have. Upon arrival, offer a warm welcome, whether it's greeting them personally or providing clear instructions for self-check-in. Little touches go a long way. Consider providing a welcome basket with local treats, stocking the fridge with essentials, or offering a guidebook with your personalized recommendations for exploring the area. Be available to assist your guests throughout their stay, whether it's arranging transportation, recommending restaurants, or simply addressing any concerns that may arise. Remember, a happy guest is more likely to leave a positive review and recommend your property to others. Ready, set, host. Embracing the joys of sharing Thailand. Congratulations! You're now well on your way to becoming an Airbnb host in beautiful Thailand. Remember, preparation and attention to detail are key. From crafting a welcoming profile and listing to understanding local regulations and providing exceptional guest experiences, each step contributes to your success. Embrace the journey, be a gracious host, and take pride in sharing the wonders of Thailand with the world. Get ready for a rewarding experience filled with cultural exchange, warm connections, and the joy of making your guests feel right at home in the land of smiles. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos about Airbnbs in Thailand. Khab Kun Thi Rabcham. Thank you for watching.